Well, everyone, congratulations. We are on day 25 of 25 Days of Essentialism, and you have made it all the way through. You've read the book all the way through. I know you've gotten amazing insights from it. Today is the last day, and the day before yesterday, we were talking about how the essentialist leader can lead teams in a way that's very powerful. And there's three things from today. Go for extreme empowerment, communicate the right things to the right people at the right time, and check in often to ensure meaningful progress. So I have a quote here on page 244 with the go for extreme empowerment. He says, an essentialist understands that clarity is the key to empowerment. He doesn't allow roles to be general or vague. He ensures that everyone on the team is really clear about what they are expected to contribute and what everyone else is contributing. You got to know exactly what you got to say and make it very, very clear as a leader. Number two here is communicate the right things to the right people at the right time. On page 245, it says, non-essentialist communication usually is either too general to be actionable or changes so quickly that people are always caught off guard. Essentialist leaders, on the other hand, communicate the right things to the right people at the right time. And then lastly, checks in often to ensure meaningful progress. This is on page 246. By taking the time to get clear about the one thing that is really required, the essentialist leader makes follow-up so easy and frictionless that it actually happens. By checking in with people frequently to reward small wins and help people remove obstacles, he bolsters the team's motivation and focus and enables them to make more meaningful progress. There you go, folks. 25 Days of Essentialism. I hope this has been a great book for you. I know it has been for me, and I am frankly overwhelmed with all the stuff that's in there. I know I've not applied most of it. I'm going to go back through and kind of take it one step at a time and begin to figure out that core of what's essential and really put my focus there, get clarity about what's essential and what's peripheral, what's trivial on the outside, and really begin to move my life and my business in the direction of what is essential. So I hope you've gotten a lot out of this. I look forward to hearing from you on the insights you've gained. And I will not see you tomorrow because we are all done with this, but be tuning in. I'll be doing more videos on different topics. Okay, guys, this is Jeff with Pie of Genius. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.